How to dismantle structures in Sons of the Forest. So first is you must follow the reverse order rule. So the game uses a physics system that prevents you from removing items that are supporting weight. So take this for example. So the universal key for dismantling objects is letter C on your keyboard. So just basically look at the object. So go close to it and look at it. Then hold C on your keyboard. And as you can see, I have now removed that particular object. So there's no prompt that will pop up or anything. You just basically need to go close to it and hold C to remove that particular item or structure. So let's try one with the rain catcher right here. So if I hold C, I look at it, I hold C. So I now have equipped it, so I could either place it again or continue dismantling it by holding right or by clicking right on my mouse, just like that. Now, if you are trying to remove logs from a house or a wall, you cannot just remove any log that you want. So the rule is you must dismantle from the top down. So let's say this, for example. So if I hold C on my keyboard by looking at, as you can see, there's an X that pops up. It means that I can't remove it. So I just need to remove the structure that's above it first, or that's connected above to it. So as you can see right here, and also this one. And once I remove that, I can now remove this log right here. And let's do this. As you can see, I can't. So I need to remove this first, throw it right there. And as you can see, I can now remove this particular log. Same goes for this one. I can't remove it. So I just need to remove this first. And here, I still can't remove it since I need to remove this one first. Just like that. Same goes for this structure. So I can't remove this log right here. So I need to remove the logs or the planks here at the top first before I can remove this log. So once it's all removed, I can now remove this log. Just like that. And that is how I basically dismantle structures in Sons of the Forest.